Yeah, sitting at the Raritan train station. And there's a train, a rail car in front of us. It's probably, there's an engine in front of it, like a GP40 in front of it. Probably. It kind of looks like it. The last time I saw it was like brown, but now it's like GP40 or something like in front of it. So the train, I heard the train, we're at Raritan. So I'm gonna wait for the next train. That light goes red and the train's coming. Flashing, so I'm gonna wait for it. Maybe at Somerville or something, because I only honked one time so far at Somerville. So I'm gonna wait for the train. So here we go. And I tried to get a horse shows for both the two trains that we're gonna see. But maybe not, I don't know. Till the train comes on the westbound track. Till then, see ya. Here comes the train from all the way over there. From the westbound track, the idiot. Then look. No, the thing is coming over there. Yeah, it's coming way over there. Hey, train. Here it comes, guys. The train. Honk. Yeah. He honked. Wow. Scare me. He scared me a little bit. Is he stopping or what? What cab car is 7005, I think it is. Yeah, 7005 cab car. He gave me horn show and scared me. An idiot walking across the track. Here comes. Little early train. A lot of trains on Raritan Island are early sometimes. Not the eastbound, the westbound. Only 2 people got off this. Wow.